Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Epson Ecotank models. So basically what you'll need to do is just hold these two buttons for like 5 to 7 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now these lights will start flashing and you'll need to wait until it stops. After that, you'll see that your Wi-Fi Direct is now enabled, and now you'll need to click on this button and hold it for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you have some white paper because it's going to print your Wi-Fi password. So just load it and now wait for the Wi-Fi password. And just like that, you'll see your Wi-Fi password on the first page that your printer printed. So right here, the password 76665253. And now you can just download an app and connect your printer.